How to delete a document in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and go to the main screen where all your documents are listed. Find the document you want to delete by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top. Once you locate the document, tap the three dots menu icon next to it. From the options that appear, tap on Remove. This will move the document to the trash folder. If you want to permanently delete the document, go to the bin by tapping the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Bin. In the bin, tap the three dots next to the document again and choose Delete Forever. Confirm your choice to permanently erase the file. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.